Whenever we work in Excel on any vast data where we have to insert multiple worksheets and rename them, we get irritated as it's really a time-taking task. In today's video, we will see two ways to insert and rename multiple worksheets in Excel. Hi, my name is Vijay and you are watching Office Mom. Let's start the video without any delays. This is the master sheet of daily sales report. I have to insert 12 worksheets and rename them. And also I have to paste the same format in all the sheets. If I'll be doing it manually, it will be really time taking. So the very simple way will be, we will type name over here before inserting the sheets. I'll type name over here. I'll type name of the months, Jan, and we'll drag till December. Now we will select this. We'll go in insert, pivot table. A small box or window will pop up. Over here we get two options, new worksheet and existing worksheet. We will click over here on existing worksheet and we have to provide table or range. So we will click anywhere inside our data and we'll do OK. On the right hand side we can see pivot table fields. We will click on the name and we'll drop this in filters box. One thing you will notice over here. Currently we are in pivot data analyze and not in insert. So we will come in left hand side on options. We will click on drop down and we can see three things over here. Options, show report, filter pages and generate pivot data. We will click on the second option. A small box will pop up and we will do OK. We will close this. You will notice that multiple worksheets got inserted as well as renamed. And our master sheet shifted to the end. We will click on our master sheet. We'll come in the beginning and we'll drop it over here. Now we can delete this. When we open our new worksheets, you will notice pivot table on the top. So we will click on the first worksheet, we'll press shift and we'll go to the last worksheet and we'll click over here and all the worksheets will be selected. We will select the worksheet and we'll press delete and all the pivot table will be deleted. Means pivot table will be deleted from all the sheets. We will go in view, show and we'll remove the grid lines. Now we want to insert our master sheet in all the sheets. So we will copy our master sheet. We will select the whole sheet. We'll copy it, Ctrl C or Command C. We'll click on the first month. We'll press shift and we'll click on the last worksheet. Now we will press Ctrl V or Command V and the data got pasted in all the sheets. We will cross check. This is Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June and so on. So in this way you can insert multiple sheets as well as rename them. And also you can paste the data in multiple sheets in one go. Let's move to the second way. This is a daily sales report where I have got master sheet and multiple worksheets are there. But my boss wants me to change the name of all the worksheets. Currently it's Jan 22, Feb 22. But my boss wants me to insert DSR just before the month's name. To do this, we will click on master sheet. We'll right click the mouse, insert sheet and a new sheet will be inserted. Now we will put the names over here. First sheet will be delete sheet. I'm calling this sheet as delete sheet because later on we are going to delete this. Master sheet, Jan and we'll drag till December. We'll copy this, Ctrl C or Command C and we'll paste over here. Single inverted comma, Jan 22, single inverted comma, Feb 22 and we'll press Ctrl E. Over here also we will do the same thing. Single inverted comma, Jan 23, single inverted comma, Feb 23 and we'll press Ctrl E. Now over here we will type DSR, Jan 23, DSR, Feb 23 and we'll press Ctrl E. Over here also we will do the same thing. DSR, Jan 22, DSR, Feb 22 and we'll press Ctrl E. So old name is Jan22 and the new name will be DSR Jan22. I'll copy this or I'll cut this and we'll paste it over here. We'll delete this because this is not required. What we need is this. Control X or Command X, we'll paste over here. We'll cut this, Control X or Command X, and we'll paste over here. Now these things are not required, so I'll delete this. Now we will use a VBA code. This is a VBA code what we are going to use. I'll provide link of this VBA code in description box. We will copy this, Control C or Command C, and we'll go in our Excel sheet. Now we will go in Developer tab, Visual Basic, and we will go in Insert, Module, and we will paste our VBA code over here. Control V or Command V. Now we will click over here on the corner and we'll be diverted to our Excel sheet. We'll click on the last name. We'll go on top, Macros. We'll click over here on Rename and we'll run. You'll notice that all the sheets got renamed. DSR Jan 22, DSR Feb 22, DSR March 22. When we will go to the right hand side, it's DSR Jan 23, DSR Feb 23, DSR March 23. Now we will delete this sheet. This is really not required now. Delete. In case you want to paste the same data in all the sheets, you will have to follow the same steps. Copy this, Control C or Command C, click on the first tab, press Shift, go to the last tab, keep on pressing Shift, press on the last tab, come over here, Control V or Command V, and the data got pasted in all the sheets. You can see over here. So in this way you can rename your sheets as well as insert multiple sheets at one go. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye bye.